Hey dear aspiring content creator, in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to make voiceover using just your CapCut and your smartphone. So first of all, you are going to select the clip you want to add the voiceover to, you get. So make sure nothing is selected. As you can see, I did not select anything. So the first thing to do is to move the cursor to the place you want to start your voiceover. So let's say I want to start my voiceover at this part of this video. So after that, if you look down, you are going to see audio. Click on this audio, you scroll until you find this record here, this record with a mic. Click on it. For the voiceover, we either tap or press and hold to record. So right now I'm going to tap. Once I tap, there will be a countdown. So now it's already recording, so you just go ahead and record whatever you want to record as the voiceover. You get. That's how it is. You understand? So once you are done recording, you click on the mic again. See, that's all. So what I'll do right now is just to, as you can see, there are some parts where I wasn't saying anything, you get. So these parts are going to make my recording a mess if I don't edit it, you understand? So the best thing to do is just click on the audio we recorded, click on split, move it a bit, click on split. Then this part where I'm not saying anything, just click on delete. Again, this part again, click on split, move it a bit, split. This part where I'm not saying anything, repeat the same step here, split, move it a bit, split, delete, split, split, delete. So the only thing I have to do here now is just arrange my audio together, you get. That's how it is, you understand? So if you're okay with what you have, you can just cut your clip here. That's if you want your clip to end here, then you click on export, that's all. If you want to learn how to add transition to your video, check out this video.